You've decided it's time for a new roof. You've got the budget, but now you're stuck on the biggest question: metal or shingle? It isn't just about looks. The choice you make today will affect your home's value, your energy bills, and your maintenance schedule for the next 30 years. Today, we're comparing the two most popular roofing materials to help you decide which one earns a place on your home. Asphalt shingles, the versatile classic. Asphalt shingles, or bitumen shingles, are the most common choice worldwide. Why? Because they are incredibly cost-effective and easy to install. They offer the traditional look that fits almost any UK neighbourhood. They are also quiet roofs, dampening the sound of our regular British rain. The downside? They have a shorter lifespan, typically 15 to 25 years, and they can be prone to moss growth in damp UK climates. Metal roofing, the modern powerhouse. Metal roofing is the gold standard for longevity. We're talking about a roof that can easily last 50 years or more. It's fire-resistant, incredibly lightweight, and reflects solar heat, which can actually keep your home cooler in the summer. It's also virtually maintenance-free. No moss, no rot, and no shingles blowing off in a gale. And if you're worried about noise? With modern professional insulation, a metal roof can be just as quiet as any other material. The UK weather test. If you live in a high-wind area or a coastal spot, metal often wins. Its interlocking panels are much harder for a storm to lift than individual shingles. However, if you're on a tighter budget or looking for a traditional look for a period property, shingles are a fantastic, reliable choice. Cost versus longevity. It comes down to this: shingles are cheaper today. Metal is cheaper over 50 years. You are paying for that fit and forget peace of mind. Both materials require a specialist's hand. A poorly installed metal roof will leak at the seams, and a poorly installed shingle roof will fail in the first big wind. Still unsure? We can help. We provide roof installation experts for both metal and shingle systems across the UK. Click the link below to book a consultation. They will look at your roof pitch, your budget, and your style to find your perfect match. Your roof, your choice, our experts.